Step 1. Clean the insulation area thoroughly. Apply adhesion promoter to the surface. Step 2. Confirm the installation position according to the video instructions. Partially remove the protective film from the adhesive backing of the deflector. Confirm the pasting position. Remove the remaining protective film while firmly pressing the deflector into place. Step 3. Using a trim tool as shown in the video, carefully insert the two buckles into the designated slots of the deflector. Repeat the same procedure to install the remaining wind deflectors.